Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Badoo dating account without using your email address. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in badoo.com and press enter. You can also use your application for this. Now once you end up within the home page where you are asked to log in, you have various different options. Click on the login button and you will be asked to enter your email address or your phone number. Now, if you don't wish to use your email address to recover your account, then you can also type in your phone number. Go ahead and type in your phone number that is associated with your Badoo account and then click on the login button. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. Once you receive the verification code within your phone, you can simply type this code within the box and then click on the continue button and you will be logged into your account even without using your password right away. Now, you can also use other login options such as continuing with your Facebook or your Apple account. Click on Continue with Facebook or the Continue with Apple button and you will be asked to log in to your Facebook or your Apple account. Just type in your login credentials and click on the login button, and after allowing access to your account, you will directly be logged in and your account will be recovered as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to recover your Badoo dating account without using your email address. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.